Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. I know it's been a while. Don't hate me. I just have been in my own little world of life lately. But you guys, I got this beautiful surprise happy mail from Stephanie, and she's Sweet Crafty Girl on YouTube and Instagram. And this is like some birthday mail that she surprised me with. I was not expecting this, and it came on perfect timing. Excuse me. I was having a bad day at work, and I came home to this, you guys, and it was so amazing because if you guys don't know her craft, it's super girly, super cute. It's totally me. And yeah, look at this box. It has a bunch of pretty little ballerinas, and then it has like the stripes in pink, and it's like filled to the top. You guys, I went through it because I was super impatient. And you guys know when you fill something up and then when you go to do it again, it just doesn't fit. So that's kind of like what happened to me. This little ornament was inside, and when I tried to pack it back in, it just would not fit. But look, you guys, she sent me this cute little piñata. Piñata? Yeah, piñata ornament. Look how cute. It's like a unicorn, or yeah, no, it's like a piñata unicorn. Let me see what it says. It's like a piñata with a horn, but I love it. Absolutely love it. I think I had seen Handmade with Soso show these. They're adorable. So cute. Oh, I heard a noise. Weird. Okay. Look, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? I love all the colors. I tried to rewrap everything. Let me put this on top of here so that it doesn't take up too much space. So we're gonna put the little ornament there. She sent me this super cute card. Look how cute. I don't know if she made this or like altered it, but it's super cute, and I love the colors because if you guys know me, these are my favorite colors. She wrapped up every little gift. Super cute. We're gonna take everything out. Look, you guys. There's this one. And we have this one that looks like the box. I think she wrapped up the box. And we have this one. We have this one. And this one. I love all the crinkles. We have this one. So many pretty gifts. Cute little shaker. And then there's this. And two little. And then the rest is all the prettiness. Look at that. Which of course you guys know me. I will be saving. So we're gonna move this out the way. And she sent me this roll of sequins in like pink, like a light pink and a darker pink. Super cute. And this heart washi tape. Look at that. I don't have anything like that. She sent me a bag of bath bombs, cotton candy. Super fun. And then look, you guys, this cute little shaker that she made me. I love how she layers. This is adorable. I love it. And then here's this cute little bag. And in the bag, she put this super cute little like figurine. Look, you guys, it's a little flamingo. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna put this up on my desk and definitely reuse this bag because it is adorable the way she decorated it. Isn't that cute? So creative. She also gave me another little bath bomb, like a bath fizzer, and it looks like a little ice cream. It's strawberry and cream. So cute. I think I've seen these in TJ Maxx. Okay, so in this one, let me show you guys. Oh, this is like the little box. You guys, this is so cute. Let me look up the paper. Look how adorable this box is. It has like the little pens, the little erasers, the clips, some candy, and it's like so cute. It's by Molly and Rex. When you open it up, you can store like pens or clips or anything in here. I love this. So cute. I absolutely love this. I've never seen this. That is very exciting. You guys, it's so cold in my craft room that I'm like trying not to shiver, or for you guys not to hear my teeth shattering, because there's no heating back here. I need to get me like a little stand-up heater. But I do have my coffee, and it's probably getting cold because that's how cold it is back here. You guys, she gave me these cute little bows, which I do not own. I have been looking for these stickers for what seems like forever. I found them on eBay and they were trying to charge like $10 for a pack. And look, you guys, she sent it to me. I wanted this sticker pack, especially just for the little cotton candy. I know I could have made that myself, but you know. How cute! And then look, you guys, the Pebbles Puffy stickers. I didn't have this either. I don't know if, is this from this year? Let me see. Yes, this is the 2018. How cute. I love these. It might take me a while to open those because I'm a hoarder. Look, you guys, how pretty. She packaged everything. This, I don't want to rip the front because I will be saving the front part. Oh, this is the brush cleaner. How cute is that? Wet and dry brush cleaning pad. And it's like a flower. Kind of like a Maggie Holmes flower. Isn't that cute? I love that. And lately I've been thinking about makeup. I don't know why, you guys, but I've been thinking about like getting back into my makeup stuff. And I'm getting little hints that maybe I should. Here's another one. I've been on the Sephora website a lot lately. I go through stages, you guys. Sometimes I'm like, I want a full-blown craft. I want to do house stuff. I just have a bunch of stuff I love to do. Oops, I hope I didn't rip it. This is a cute little notebook she sent me. Look, you guys, with the glitter. Super cute. Sparkle and shine. I love this, just to have it on your desk. And there's this one. It says celebrate together. So that's why I haven't really been filming and stuff like that, just because I've been doing so much other stuff, you know? And sometimes filming and all that stuff takes so much time that I'd rather be doing other stuff. Look, you guys, she sent me these super cute stickers. I don't think I own any of these. These are adorable. Oh my God, girlie, thank you so much. She always sends me the best packages. They're not only filled with so much yumminess, but like so much love she puts into her packages. Look at that. Let's eat cake. I love it. Okay. Look, you guys, she sent me more stickers. And these cute little cute girl stamps by Cray Paper. I don't have the stamps. I have the other ones, the rubber ones, I think. So cute. Girl, you spoiled me. And then lastly, it's this one. And let's see what we got here. I don't want to rip the front because, of course, I saved that. Let's see how we could do this. I see Cray Paper. Oh, what is this? Is this style board? Look, you guys. She sent me the ephemera pack to style board. You know how hard it is to find this? Because this is from 2013. Oh my gosh. I am not going to use this, but I am definitely going to go through it. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. I have the digital collection to this, but now I have the actual ephemera pack. Oh my gosh, you guys. This package is amazing. Look at all the goodies that she sent me. Stephanie, if you're watching, thank you so much for the box, the surprise. Every little detail that you put into this box is super amazing, and you surprised me. I had no clue, and it came on a perfect day. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for all the birthday wishes on my channel, on Instagram. I kind of did a low-key birthday this year. I just wasn't really into, you know, doing a birthday challenge and all that stuff. So, but a lot of you guys wished me happy birthday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.